Warm up the side of our core to start here. We're just going to do our TikToks, getting a nice bend side to side, warming up our hips a little bit, warming up our core. And again, these light, gentle movements to kind of assess where our body is, seeing how we feel in this current moment. And hopefully you're feeling pretty all right. I'm feeling pretty all right. So feeling hopefully is mutual. Let's go ahead and pause there. We'll move into some alternating marches, warm up our knees a little bit. We're going to be doing some march stuff in a second of a strengthening drill. So this will be a good work for us to kind of move into that in a segue. Back and forth here. Bring that knee up nice and high, controlling it down. Perfect. All right, go ahead. Arms out to the side. Make sure you have space to your side. We're going to do 10 small arm circles to start. Feeling our shoulders get nice and warm, trying to keep a good posture position with our hands and our body. Medium circles now all the way around. 10, nice and easy. Feeling those shoulders work. 10 big ones all the way around, feeling that entire shoulder joint work as much as we can, actively without pain. So that's kind of the idea. If you do experience pain with it, you might need to go a little more shallow with your movements. That's totally okay. We'll go ahead and relax on that position. Back to our legs, we'll move into some leg extensions, alternating leg extensions. Let's get a little bit of warm up here. Remember, try to actively think about contracting that quad or your thigh muscle to straighten your leg as much as possible. Really get that good work through that muscle. Trying to be intentional through the movement. All right, good. Go ahead and rest on there. We're going to stick one leg out now, and we're going to do a point and pull with our ankle here. So we use our ankles a lot when we are doing stuff standing, so this will be a good warm-up for that. Back and forth with that ankle, pointing and pulling. Good. Other side, forward and backward here, point and pull. Try to really be intentional, feel those muscles work. I know for my left side specifically, this side doesn't work as well for me, so I have to be extra intentional with this movement. All right, back to the other foot. We're sticking with the ankle, but this movement's going to be a side-to-side move, so it's a very, very small movement with your feet, but still nonetheless a movement we should be trying to work with our ankles. That helps us greatly with stabilizing our feet when we get up and do any type of movement on our feet. Other side, same thing, back and forth. Keep that foot basically locked into place, just moving side to side. Perfect. Go ahead and rest on there. We're going to do a reach to the ground next. Both legs are going to be to the side of your body. We're going to start by reaching down, touching either side with the same side arm. And then you're going to sit up nice and tall, reach across your body with the opposite arm, okay? So make sure you are extending your hips and sitting up all the way tall before then going back down, okay? So touching down to the toe, all the way up and reach. So you're just kind of going back and forth here in kind of a cross pattern, all the way up, all the way down. Make sure you do sit all the way up to really work that full range of motion with your body. Good. All right, go ahead and pivot to the other side. Same concept. Touch that toe all the way up across your body, down, touch, all the way up. Good. Touch, reach. Make sure we're breathing throughout this movement. One more time here. And relax. Good. All right, we're going to do a core exercise next. We're going to do a couple core exercises. This first one is going to be one of my favorites. It's going to involve you doing a few things. The first thing is sticking your leg straight out. And then in this position, you're going to pull your leg up as high as you can, even if it's only a little bit, and then slowly lower it down, okay? So other foot, kick out, up, slowly down, okay? Out, up, slowly down. And when you're pulling it up, you're trying to keep it as straight as possible. You'll notice you'll feel it through your core pretty heavily. If you do try to keep it nice and straight, it's going to be a lot easier if you bend your knee. So try to keep it as straight as possible. We got 10 more seconds on this one. Out, up, down, out, up. We'll finish right there. Good. Take a big breath for me. Excellent job on that one. We're going to do a little bit of strength work next, so go ahead and grab below your chair. We're going to do what we call the chair pull-up, so you're actively pulling your body against the chair, feeling your body become compressed against it as hard as you can. 15 strong seconds. Take a good grab on that chair. Pull up as hard as you can. Feel like you're trying to grab those arms and pull them to your body. Breathe throughout. Bring those shoulders up to your ears. Keep breathing here. Be strong. This is where you get that strength in your body and relax. Excellent job. Take a big breath in, big breath out. We're going to do another core exercise now. So this one's going to involve you reaching back and touching a designated spot behind your chair and to the side, okay? So you're basically going to pick a spot kind of in line with the back of your chair leg, touch it. You're going to sit up nice and tall. Then the other side, reach back, touch it, sit up nice and tall. So you notice this is working the side of your core and the front of your core basically at the same time. And if you don't use any momentum when sitting back up, which I know is pretty tough, you're going to really feel the burn. So 30 seconds, find a slow pace that allows you to move continuously through this movement and use those strong core muscles you got in you. I believe in you. Just keep breathing. We're halfway there. Keep reaching back and up, back, up. One more time on each side. You are doing great. And up. Very nice, everyone. Very nice indeed. Okay, what we're going to do for the last one in our chair here is just going to be a quickness drill. So we're going to do a march variation. We're going to do 10 seconds of a slow march, 10 seconds of a medium march, and then 10 seconds of a fast march, okay? So go ahead and grab on the side of your chair for this one. We're starting out almost in slow motion is kind of what you want to think about. So really feeling those muscles work, all of them through your hips and your core, nice and controlled. As we then slowly turn up, we're going to do a medium speed now, still controlling it, not letting it just hit the ground, but with just a little more force and speed. We're going to finish here 10 seconds now, as fast as you can, up as high as you can and as fast as you can. Don't really worry about controlling it. Just breathe and go. We got 5 more seconds. Keep going. Go, 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 and break. Good. Take a big breath, everyone.